Hi, garden friends! Thank you for watching my first episode and subscribing to my channel. I hope it helped to inspire you to start gardening too. Today, I will answer some of your questions about how to get started. Many of you asked where to get the seed starting kit from. You can buy these from Canadian Tire's, gardening stores, and sometimes even Dollarama. You can even buy these online from Amazon or Walmart. I was lucky to have a wonderful neighbor who gave me this kit and the seeds. So this is the seed starting kit, and these are all the pieces. So this is the tray. It's full of all the pellets. And this is the cover for the tray. It holds all the, it makes humidity. And this is the drainage tray, just to hold the water that drains. Over here, we will show you how one of these pellets grows into dirt. So I will put it into this jar, and I'll put this guy on top so it's easier to see how much it grows. You need warm water to make it grow, so I'm going to take a bottle with warm water in it. And you can see he's being lifted up. Now he's about to fall out. And so this is a full-grown pellet that you have to grow with water. And then later you just have to break it down and put a seed in it. So we'll be planting mammoth sunflower seeds. The sunflower will grow 3.7 meters tall. It's super tall. So these are the seeds. They look like the seeds that me and you would eat. And so we're going to plant them in the soil. And so I'm just going to make a hole that's 2.5 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is probably the size of this. So 2.5 would be like this. So I'm just gonna dig it so that, and I think that's 2 centimeters. 2.5, not just 2 centimeters. And we're gonna do that for the other side too. It's okay if a bit of dirt falls into the compartments that are close to it. So there, I planted 2 sunflower seeds. You will need to find a place that is near a window that gets a lot of sun and warmth. Don't forget the seeds will need to be watered lightly. A good spray bottle with warm water is all you need. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with friends and family who like gardening too.